Uteithio wa mafufa ma gutega na kuiga maaĩ uria uretereirwo ta bathi na ikundi 10 cia atumia kaunti-ini ya Kajiado urakinyirio tauni-ini ya Kajiado kuria uramukirwo na gikeno kiingi ni atumia aya aria riu mekuhaturwo kuma ngendo ndaya cia gucaria maaĩ ma kunywa na mahuthiro mangi ma kimucii. Gikundi gitari gia thirikari gia Simavi kiugite gikinyetie uteithio uyu kuri atumia aya niguo mahote gutega maaĩ ma mbura maria moragira thi na kumatigana thina munene kuona matire na njira cia gutega maaĩ macio ona thengia wa kwamukira mbura iria tauraga mahinda kwa mahinda kaunti-ini ino.
The number of them that prioritize the water tanks for storage and preservation of water, rainwater harvesting. And today we launched with the 93 water tanks ranging between 10,000 up to 2,500 liters capacity.
Why we've given women water tanks? Because they walk long distances, waste a lot of time to go and fetch water. So when they have storage facilities, they will be able to access water easily and at the household level.
Gikundi kihetwo mafufa kuringana na unene wakio na mafufa maya ni magatagati wa rita 2,500 na rita 10,000. Atumia aya mari na mwihoko riu maaĩ ma mbura matirireragio ni kiguo tuhu na riu ni mekuhumuka thabari cia kuraya na mambiriria biashara cia kwendia maaĩ matheru matura-ini.
Tunaenda kilomita mingi sana ndio tupate maji. Meenda na punda tena umebeba mtungi ya lita 20 ya maji kwa mgongo. Ndio ile maji ya punda pamoja na hiyo 20 liters ipate kukutosha.
Tuna furaha sana kwa maana ni wametuletea kama groups tangi ya maji ambaye ni kitu ya maana kwa wamama, maana mama akiwa na tangi ataweza kufanya kazi mingi.
Wamama wa group yangu ni wamama 20 na kwa hao mama 15 members wata benefit na tanks na tutakuwa na tank mbili za 10,000 liters ambayo tutauza maji ya chumvi na maji ya fresh.
Sisi wa maaĩ kaunti-ini ya Kajiado atetirithitie kuri na bata wa aikari ya kaunti o kuhimbiria njira cia kuiga maaĩ kuna ne kaunti igumagirwo ni riũa ihiũ na ndiamukagira mbura nyingi ta icigo ingi cia bururi.
It's not that there is no water, but how can we capture water so that we have enough water for all? But we are actually focusing on the runoff, especially the roof harvesting, so that there is no water that is wasted.
There is a lot of fatigue about providing particular services and commodities. But when you provide preparedness aspects like the tanks, then you are sure of a future that is promising. There are many technologies about looking and harvesting water, but this one will really focus on roof catchments and if it's possible, connections through other sources of water that they will be able to continuously avail water to their households.
Na tondu kamwe gikoyaga ndire atumia mathingatitwo guthie na mbere kunyitanira ikundi-ini kuona mubango wa muthemba uyu no woe ihinda iraya ungigakinyanirio gukiringithanio na rĩrĩa atumia aya mokite hamwe. Ngiribotera Inooro TV ritwa rĩakwa nĩ Mwangi wa Maina.